Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Sheets shortcut on desktop. So here I've already on my drive and I want to create a Sheets file into my desktop and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So here I'm going to add this file into desktop. So first you need to open the file and just wait until it's fully load. Okay, so here is the file, and then what you need to do next is you can just go to top here and then click on the three dots icon on Google Chrome and then choose more tools, this one's right here, and then you'll see there is create shortcut option. Click on that, and in here you can rename the shortcut. For example, tutorial. I'm going to just use the name of the file. And you can also click on this checkbox to open it as a new window, but I want, so I'm going to just create. And then after that, you can go to desktop and see if the file is there. Okay, so you see now the Google Sheets file has been created as shortcut so that I don't have to open Google Chrome. I just need to click on this and then it will be open without I having to go to Google Chrome and then open Drive or open Google Sheets. So it saves me some time. Okay guys, so I think that's all. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.